Oh, I bought this one. She's American.
Where you got here? Oh look.
Come on, baby! I can't stress this enough.